Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Justine Flower, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the WordTalk talking spell checker. Now there are a number of advantages of using a WordTalk spell checker instead of the one that is built into Microsoft Word. And that is that it has the ability to speak the suggestions that are being made, which for many dyslexics is often enough for them to make the right choice of word. Now, let's have a look how we use spell checker. So first of all, what you need to do is, you're going to start off with the ribbon that you normally have. Go to add-ins, so you get your WordTalk toolbar up. So then what you need to do is place your cursor in the word that you want to be checked. So here I'm going to use this unhappy, and I've spelt it wrong so you can see what happens. So I put my cursor in that word and I go to the ABC spelling button and I click on that. Now here it's given me a suggestion of how I should spell the word, and I'm going to click on that to make sure it sounds like the word that I want to use.
Unhappy.
Okay. If I'm unsure whether that is the word that I want to use, I can go to this button here which says Find Synonyms. And what that is it means that there are words that have a similar meaning but are different. So let's have a look. So I can now see that unhappy is similar to unfortunate, ill-fated, hopeless, doomed, fateful, and I can then understand, yes, this is the right word. So here I'm just going to replace that word. So I press replace spelling and that corrects my word for me. So I'm just going to change this again so it's incorrect, and I'm going to do a similar thing, but I want to show you how you can use some of the synonyms. So if you go to the word again, and again it's giving me a correct version of the word that I can listen to.
Unhappy.
This time I'm going to ask it to find synonyms. It's very difficult to say. But instead of unhappy, I've changed my mind, and this time I want to use the word doomed. So what I can do is click on that and make sure that I'm reading it correctly.
Doomed.
And it will read it out to me so I can listen to what it's saying. And this time I would like to replace the word that I have wrong with doomed instead. So I just press replace synonym, and that is placed into my document. Now, even if the word isn't wrong, like here we have sad, I can put my cursor in that and go to the spell check. And this time you see it's slightly different inside. It's telling me that the spelling is correct. However, I'm not sure if I want to use that word, and I might want to use a different word that has the same meaning. So I go to find synonym, and here it gives me options that I can have instead of that word. And if I click on them, it will read them out to me.
Unhappy. Miserable, depressed, gloomy.
Okay, so I've decided I want to use the word gloomy, and for this I can just do replace synonym, and it changes it in my document. So you can see not only does it read the words out loud to you so you can check they are the right words, it corrects the spelling, but it also offers you an alternative that has a similar meaning to the word that you have. So if you use a word on a regular basis and you want to change that so it's not always the same, this facility will help you. It works a bit like a thesaurus. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye.
You have been listening to Ask an Expert at parentchampions.org.uk. Parent Champions is an initiative set up by the Dyslexia SBLD Trust to support parents and carers of children with dyslexia and other specific learning difficulties. ParentChampions.org.uk is packed full of lots of practical resources as well as a wide range of expert advice, including 5 short films with top tips on reading, writing, spelling, organisation and memory. We've also published a booklet, Understanding Dyslexia, for you to share with your family. You can join our national team of Parent Champions at www.parentchampions.org.uk. We are also on Facebook and Twitter, where you can share ideas, get support and be in touch with Parent Champions across the UK, and air your views on any issue that's important to you.